Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video. So, you guys, Gogo Skuteni is making it so hard for us to stop talking about her as she continues making sure that she trends almost every single day. You guys, I don't remember the last time that this girl took a social media break, especially ever since she announced her denouncing like Ubunkoma, that she is officially quitting Ubunkoma and focusing on God. You know, bloggers have been on her neck reporting her little move, each and every move that she is doing. And at this time, I believe that Ugokos Koteni is enjoying this attention, because one thing about her, she will make sure that she trends. She will make sure that she trends. Trust me, social media is definitely a drug when it comes to Gogos Koteni. So her Kobela Ugogo Nkanyamba did a video for the very first time. I think it was 2 days ago. She reacted after being asked what she thought about Utumi, finding God and quitting Ubungoma, and she did a video. I reported on the story. You can make sure that you check out the most previous video which I did of Ugogo Kanjamba. Now, I think it was also a year ago or 2 years ago to be specific, when Ugogo Kanyamba came on social media, Ekuza Ugogos Koteni, saying that, this Gogos Koteni that's on social media is not the Gogos Koteni that I initiated. Her behavior has nothing to do with me. I remember Gogon Kanyamba did something like that a year or two ago. And just recently, Gogos Koteni posted something on her Instagram yesterday, last night to be specific, saying that, now that she denounced Ubunkoma, a group of traditional healers are on her back, and they are saying that they are starting to threaten her. Kobela Ugogon Kanyamba Utumi wrote something on his Instagram stories saying that, I'm going to expose these sangomas. There's actually a WhatsApp group where they are discussing me, and they are threatening my Kobela Ugogong Kanyamba. And the message which Skoteni wrote announcing that Kanyamba, the Kobela, is being threatened, read as follows. I am receiving threats from traditional healers, not all of them though, she said. I have voice notes from a WhatsApp group, I will go live tomorrow at 8 p.m. They are now intimidating the person that initiated me. You guys, the person that initiated Utumi is Ugogong Kanyamba. Bati Bazo Blanganisa Amakabi. So here's my message to them. Alani manje kulate impela, amen. Gogos Koteni Road, and she promises that by tonight at 8 p.m. she will be going on a TikTok live to expose a group of traditional healers who are intimidating her Kobela Ogogon Kanyamba. And she says that she will also show receipts that she has been receiving threats from traditional healers and Uti. She also has like voice notes. I guess she will be reading those voice notes on the TikTok live tonight at 8 p.m. you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts regarding this whole saga? Please do engage it with me in the comment section, and make sure that you subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video, and may the good Lord just continue blessing you all. Bye.